Here are top 5 Word 2016 tips and tricks for beginners. Number 1. Shrink one page. Let's say you have a document that's 2 pages long and small words goes over onto page 3. There's one tool that allows you to shrink this to 2 pages without having to edit everything individually. Go to Quick Access toolbar, select More Commands, choose All Commands, then look for Shrink one page. Select it, add it, and hit OK. Now you need to highlight all the text. You can do that by pressing Ctrl and A together, then click the Shrink one page. Now you can see the text has been shrunk down to be 2 pages. Number 2. Smart Lookup. Smart lookups allow you to search for information online for keywords. To enable it, highlight a word or phrase, choose Smart Lookup, and now you can access information online quickly and easily. Number 3. Clipboard Smart Paste. Under the Home tab, there is a Clipboard link right here. Click on that and it brings up the clipboard that allows you to highlight the text and copy it to the clipboard. As a smart feature, here you can copy multiple items to the clipboard. And then when you want to paste them, you can just click on the ones that you want. Number 4. Insert Screenshot. You can capture and insert a screen image of any of the Microsoft applications. Just go to Insert, under Screenshot, and select from the list of open images. The windows need to be open and cannot be minimized, otherwise they won't show up in a list. The other option you have is to insert a screenshot, screen clipping, which allows you to select an image from anything on your screen and paste it into your document. Number 5. Text to speech. Did you know that MS Word can read your documents back to you? All you have to do is to add speak function to your Quick Access toolbar. Do this by clicking this arrow to the right of your Quick Access toolbar. Go to More Commands, choose All Commands, and scroll down and find Speak in the list. Click on Speak, hit Add, and hit OK. And now the Speak button is in your toolbar. Highlight the text you want the computer to read to you. Click Play.
Subscribe to our channel to view more videos like this.
You have just watched Top 5 Word 2016 Tips and Tricks for Beginners.
If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click thumbs up and leave a comment.